everyone, it's Lee Hayward, racing Grand Vets for XTR for this season. Just giving you a quick rundown on what bike I'm using this year. It's a Orbea Oith team, 4 carbon, 120mm travel front and rear, Kashima coated forks and rear shock, super light SL, dropper post there, carbon railed saddle, carbon everything pretty much, alley stem, got a power meter, crank based, titanium pedals, a full XTR Vittoria Barzo 2.25 tyres with the airliner inserts in it. Brilliant set of tyres, just your go-to for everything, that is. I mean, it'll even do right down to your muddy races. Awesome. It's also got remote lockout and dropper control lever all in one. Makes it nice and integrated, keeps it all pretty clean. Integrated cables in through the headset there. 30mm wide carbon rims on there. 160mm rotor, front and rear. This bike weighs in at 24 pounds. That's race ready, pedals on, ready to go. Cheers, catch you soon.